Is Claude going to take a data analyst job? I have been hearing this buzz for quite some time. So why not to check that how good Claude is now in data analysis and building a dashboard. Now you might have already created a dashboard in Power BI, Excel, Tableau or Ultrax, right? But today you just need a couple of data sets which I'll provide. You can check the link in the description box, and a prompt that will be used in the video. And you don't need a coding skills to create a dashboard like this. It is simple. You just have to feed the data to the Claude and write a single prompt, and you will get the output in few minutes. It is clean and simple, but is it effective too? We'll get to know in some time. Now Claude is performing data analysis and dashboarding much better, and we have been hearing the stories for quite some time, and it is better than ChatGPT too, and it's moving quite faster than any other AI tools available in the market. So I want you to see the video and to see that how we can create a dashboard in a few minutes. Let's get into it. Very first thing you will have to do is to go to the Claude AI, and I am using a free versions. You can come here, click on upgrade part, and you can check that this is my free versions. So now to get a great dashboard or great analysis, you need to have a great input or a great prompt. So instead of I write the prompt, I'll ask Claude to create or generate a prompt for me. So how we can do that? First we'll get the data. So you can go and click on this plus sign. Once you click on that, you have an options called add files or photos. Once you click on that, you will get to a folder. Now I have these three data sets. The first one is sales data. Once I click on that, this data is about the sales details, and this is the e-commerce data. First of all, this is about the sales details, the total units sold, the logistic type, breach, the order date, order status, and couple of more field to it. Okay, so this is the main data for our data analysis. The second data we have is the pin code mapping. Now I have a pin code details available in my sales data. So we have the other mapping file available in the second data, which is like city, state details available on that. And then the third data is the view mapping data. Now this is nothing but the hierarchical data of the category and the super category data. So now what we'll do, so instead of connecting three data separately, you can connect these three data in one single shot. Okay, that was just for the explanation. I connected the three data separately. Now we'll give this prompt to the Claude to generate a prompt for us, so that we can feed that prompt to our new chat and get a better output of the result. Now what I'm saying here, that you are in the top 0.001% prompt writer in the world, and after observing all the data carefully, you give me a prompt that will clean the data first, then create a data model between three data points, do a data analysis, and create a dashboard with at least 10 to 12 graphs and 5 to 7 filters and other details that can explain the business growth and the leakage and insights of the data in simple terms to top management also, and walk us through all the key metrics and KPIs. The data is for an e-commerce company, and it has a mapping table and sales data with unit, breach, logistic type, and other details. Okay, and we'll go and we'll click enter, and we'll see that what will happen. Now what Claude is doing, it's analyzing all these three of the data and the prompt, and it is asking me that should I notify once the Claude is done, but we can wait. It will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes for a Claude to read and give us a prompt which is very prominent to use. Now this is done. It took almost around 6 to 7 minutes to create the exact prompt. Now what you have to do, you have to just copy that. So you can just select whatever prompt we have, and then we'll just Control C, and we'll go to the new chat, click on the plus sign, and we'll say Control V. Okay, so this is a one way, and we'll also add the data and we can add the 3 datas in one single shot. I'll add the 3 datas. Now I'll click enter and I'll wait. The Claude will read its input, read all the data again, and then it will build a dashboard. Also, it will do a data analysis first and then it will build a dashboard. It will not be a random dashboard, but will evaluate the dashboard at the end to see how good the dashboard is, or is it matching the business standard or not. I could have easily given a prompt by myself, but that would not have been this better or this structure. So if you really want to get a really good output, then you need your prompt should be top notch or really good. And let's wait for some time and now wait for the result to see how it looks like. Finally got the dashboard. It took a good amount of time to run the code and give us the result. Maybe because we have given 3 data sets, also the data was had a lot of issues in the data, like we had nulls, we have missing columns. So it actually cleared everything and created this dashboard. It looks really stunning. Now how to look it or how to share the dashboard with someone else, what you can do, you can go here and you can download. Once you click on that, it will download a HTML file in your desktop, and if you click that, it opens up the entire dashboard, and it looks really good. Like if you look at all the filters we have over here, because I specifically mentioned about the filters, we have all the cards which is showcasing the details at a glance for the for how the business is performing. Then also we have the details of stories, like what is critical, what is warning, opportunities, which also I was not expecting, honestly. And then we have details of all the charts, like this is a delivery, cancellation and return, the order status chart. This is on overall details. This is category, volume and return. The return was one of the problem in this. Also the leakage, because I specifically mentioned the leakage part, so it highlighted that where is the leakage exactly. Now we have also, it has gone to the breach level, understand the breach category, the SLA comparisons between the kind of like third party logistic or the expert logistic. I named that column to expert. And so I think it looks really good. It's the colorful, it's actually indicating all the business. I would say this is almost covering up to 80% of what we do generally, and it can be automated very quickly by just using very structured and simple prompt. If you want more from this dashboard, you can maybe add, if you add more structure, more KPIs, more cards, and mention on the prompt, it will give you that. In case if you want to edit, or if you don't like any of the chart, you want to edit or add anything, or add more context to it, you can just write a prompt and ask it to edit. It will edit for you. What you can do, you can ask Claude to this, can you convert this to an Excel dashboard. So let's see if we say that, what happens. So we'll just put a comment prompt, and then I'm asking it to convert the entire part to an Excel dashboard. We'll wait and we'll see how the result come up. Your output will be an Excel file like this too. Okay, if you want, you can go here and download from this one. And if you want your analysis to be into a PowerPoint presentation, you can write that too, and just put it here. Then you will get a PowerPoint presentation details which you can download from here as well too. What do you think the future of the dashboarding would be? Is it scary? Is it fun? Please let me know in the comment. And if you find this video interesting, please do like, share, and obviously subscribe to Analytics Everywhere. That would be an encouragement for me to make such video for you. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.